Well, if you've heard more coughing as of late, there's a reason. Pertussis, also known as whooping cough, is on the rise here in our area. Northern Nevada Public Health tells us it's actively responding to an increase in cases. Two Washoe County schools have received mass notification letters about exposure to the respiratory disease. Health officials couldn't tell us which schools, however. They tell us we already have more pertussis cases reported this year than in previous years, particularly 2023 and 24. Pertussis is a highly contagious illness that often begins with mild cold-like symptoms, but then progresses to severe coughing. Without treatment, a person can be contagious for a few weeks.